new setting. So to share with you today. And I feel this will help you become more aware. And that's important. So let's jump right in. Welcome, my friends. I have a question for you, gentlemen and gentlewomen. Do you watch the news? Does it make you feel sad, even angry, and crying? What I suggest you do to remove the sadness caused by the news. Don't watch it. That's it, that's all the only requirements I have. That's it, that's all. I give you to try out for a week this challenge to not watch the news, and tell me in the comments how it went for you. How did this trivia lessen your anxiety, perhaps even heighten your sense of purpose? Because you're not focused on other people's business, you're focused on your own goals and objectives. And meaning behind becoming nonsense intrusive of the war, gossip, hurts of a world you cannot control is, at the moment, is what is intended by this action. This does not mean replacing your time with unproductive activities such as wasting your time sleeping in or watching too much TV or even eating in excess. Do you, next topic, do you enjoy when you see someone talking bad about you? I sure don't. If you don't, I'm, then why do you try to hurt your positive energies with toxicity amplified by insensitive people? Wouldn't you rather seek mentors, leaders for, for your source of news? Listen and interrogate them, be influenced positively by their advice and stories, because there are mentors out there. People think the only friends they can find are those they grew up with, but there are mentors out there. There are leaders and CEOs and even counselors at day centers for the community are impactful. And they have successes despite their miseries. These counselors, coaches, you don't have to pay for them. They're right there to help you. This goes down to questioning even the books and eBooks you choose to read. Murder mysteries are amongst the difficult to sleep causing sources. Even television shows should be carefully selected for viewing, since what you see can emotionally hurt you just as much as the characters in the show. Emotions and feelings are often brushed aside. They matter. Do you know why? Because the brain is developed not only through thoughts but also emotions and feelings. The reaction to negative emotions felt while watching the news, for example, is one of the culprits in the movement towards death. Think about it, my dear friends. Think about it. Disappointment towards me should not be reacted on. Next topic. The opinions of other people cannot define your mood. Happy, sad, bad, good are the only emotions one needs towards reaching peace. I no longer read novels such as criminal stories, murder mysteries, because they are packed with negative and hurtful emotions. I no longer desire to know, and most importantly, no longer desire to feel negative emotions. My brain feeds my cells. So the thoughts you have, our cells pick up on it, and you can think yourself sick or think yourself healthy. It's the truth. It's a true matter. Be careful on the material you expose your brain to. More good, not bad. Nothing is neutral unless in meditation state. Next topic, mind your own business, as our father used to tell us. Focus should be on one's occurrences, positive outcomes, please. When you have an urge to think, which I often discourage, this welcomes a mental silence This wisdom of mental silence comes from Buddhism religion. The purpose is not to tell you that your religion is trash and Buddhism should rule our nations. All faiths have a unique element, a gem that makes them special. Next topic, and our cells are trusting of calm attitude and sore people. The expression "have your shit together" speaks to the negative crowd. The unstable fidgets, anxiety, and grumpy states are amongst the numerous hurtful and unfavorable reactions. In the opposite, our health is stable and healthy when there are no negative emotions present, such as anger, sadness, and jealousy. At a job interview, the candidates who are well rested and unscared or on positive emotion realm often produce energies that the law of attraction favors. A calm attitude throughout an interview gives recruiters an idea of how put together a person is. And this calm attitude energy is picked up instantly by the people involved in the recruitment. Being calm during an interview is not the only factor involved in landing your dream job. Do not exclude well preparedness. They go hand in hand. You have to be well prepared for the interview. Next topic. I have a question for the viewer. Do you have people, do you feel like them over there, look, those people over there are talking bad about you, but, or someone else? But you should, that's negativity. Do not conjure up false, unreal stories for self-pity. Nobody is jealous, angry, or annoyed. Forgetting the emotions plural is not a bad idea. You forget, lose the negative emotions that come, and you become freer and most importantly, more aware. Okay. So that's it. We're at 7 minutes 30 seconds. I hope that some of my material spoke to you. And that's it, that's all. I hope the environment is also favorable. I'm in a different space now. I move around. Okay, I better go. Bye bye.